Hey guys, welcome back. It's still the season. You know the season, pumpkin spice season. So today we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to make a pumpkin spice latte that's way healthier for you than what you might get at your favorite local corner coffee shop. But before we do that, I just want to take a quick minute and let you guys know just how much we appreciate you and all of your likes and your shares and your comments and keeping our channel going. We really appreciate you. That helps us out more than you know. And we do pay attention to all of the comments, so keep letting us know what kinds of things you've enjoyed seeing, what you'd like to see more of, and what questions you have so we can fold these into upcoming videos because we make them for you anyway, right? So keep those coming. Also, you can now sign up for email notifications direct from Maurice and I when we drop a new video, so you never miss anything. You're also going to receive the recipe card that we provide for all of our clients. But wait, there's more. And when you sign up, we'll also send you our most popular tips and tricks for making the very best shakes and teas possible. So sign up for that. That link is in the description below. And let's go ahead and get this mixed up. What we're going to use today is our seasonal pumpkin spice. And it is seasonal, so every so often Herbalife drops for us, in addition to the 14 standard flavors that we always have available for you, some seasonal flavors or some bonuses or some limited edition flavors. And right now pumpkin spice is available. If you happen to see this video when pumpkin spice is no longer available, you can definitely substitute the pumpkin spice with like a chocolate or vanilla Formula One, and you're going to have an incredible shake also. But right now, pumpkin spice is in stock, so if you like it, get a few, because when they're gone, and we don't get any notification or any notice, no advanced warning when it sells out. So if you like it, get it. All right, so we're going to use 2 scoops of our pumpkin spice Formula One, and we're going to use 2 scoops of the house blend mocha iced coffee. Instead of the protein drink mix that we usually use, we're going to use this. And I want to talk about this just a little bit. Now, this is not a direct substitute for the protein drink mix because it is made with real coffee. So you're going to have some coffee, some caffeine from that in your shake, which who minds, right? But just so you know. And also, you know, I talk about all the time how our protein drink mix has those essential 21 vitamins and minerals that your body needs to feel and function its best. This does not. This does still have 15 grams of protein. It's still very low calorie, only 100 calories, 1 gram of sugar. Oh, this one says 2 grams. All right, so this one says 1 gram, this one says 2. And so very low sugar. It is certified low glycemic, so it is suitable for diabetics. This is not going to jack up your blood sugar. And you are, like I said, you are going to notice a little bit of an energy pickup. It is a coffee. And so we're going to use house blend today. We have 2 flavors available in this. This is a standalone snack. You can just have this all by itself and it tastes fantastic. We have our mocha flavor and house blend. I thought mocha was going to be my favorite because mocha, hello. But actually this one is totally my jam. And it's a little creamier, a little lighter. This one is a lot richer. Okay, so today we're going to use the house blend. Also, to get my shake started, I have 12 ice cubes, and then I filled my blender to the 12-ounce mark with water around the ice. So this is going to make a 12-ounce shake. And for us, to get that creamy texture, I usually let the ice cubes from our freezer sit in the water for just a couple of minutes before I get started. So I literally put the water in this right before I hit record. So however long I've been talking is how long it's been in there. And so we're going to use 2 scoops of our pumpkin spice Formula One, which, as you know, is a complete meal replacement. So this has everything your body needs to feel fantastic. And of course, we add a little more protein to that. So we're going to use 2 scoops. 1, 2, and we're going to use 2 scoops of our house blend protein iced coffee. So we're going to have about 24 grams of protein in this shake. So it's really important that you know what your protein number is so you can customize this, or you can fold this into your day however you need to actually hit your protein number, because that's one of the most important things that you need to have happen if you want to actually lose weight or maintain your weight. Okay, so 1 scoop and 2. And now we're going to blend it. And as I've said 100 times already, and I'll probably say 100 times more this month, the key to the texture of the shake is time in the blender. So the longer you blend, the creamier it's going to be. The less time you blend, the more icy it's going to be. So depending on the texture that you like, judge your blending time by that. I'm going to probably blend this for a full 90 seconds to 2 minutes because I like mine real creamy. All right, here we go. Okay, now that's blended. I kept blending until I couldn't hear ice on the blades at all anymore, and it's also thickened up quite a bit. Now, since it's the holiday season and I'm feeling festive, we're gonna make this fun. So I have my daughter's pumpkin cup, which I think is perfect for a pumpkin spice latte shake. Okay, now we're just gonna pour it in here. Top it with a little bit of whip. Tiny sprinkle of cinnamon. And a couple of chocolate chips. And there you go, you guys. That's really all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a fat thumbs up. That helps our channel out more than you know. And thank you for joining us. We will see you next time. Bye for now.